Next topic is 7.2 ordering of integers. When you move towards the right of the whole number ray, the number becomes larger. When you move left of the ray becomes smaller. In the number line, here the center value is 0. Move to the right side, this is greater. Move to left side, this is smaller values. So comparing the 0 and positive 1. Here which one is greater? 0 and positive 1. Positive 1 is greater. Next comparing 0 and negative 1. Which one is greater? 0 is greater because the negative value is smaller. For example, 1 is greater than negative 1. Same as negative 1 is greater than negative 3 because move to the left hand side the values will be smaller. So negative 1 is greater than negative 3. First point, any positive integer is greater than any negative integers. The second one is 0 is less than every positive integer but greater than every negative integer. For example, 0 and 6. Here which one is greater? 0 less than 6. For example for positive integer. Next example for negative integer, 0 comma negative 6. Here 0 is greater than negative 6 because the negative values are smaller than 0. Third point, the greater an integer, the smaller is corresponding negative integer. For example, 10 and 5 are positive integers. So here 10 is greater than 5. The corresponding negative integers for 10 is negative 10, 5 is negative 5. Here which one is greater is negative 5 is greater. If A, B are integers such that A greater than B, then negative A less than negative B. For example, which is greater? The first one is 6 comma negative 6. In this first one, solution 6 is greater than negative 6. Second one, negative 10 and negative 1. Here, negative 10 and negative 1. Which one is greater? Here, negative 1 is greater than negative 10 because here the negative values move to left side. The values will be smaller. Next example, use the number line and find 3 more than negative 2. First, draw the number line. The center value is 0. Move to the right side, that is positive value 1, 2 and 3. Move to left side of the 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Okay. Here the question is 3 more than negative 2. 3 more than means that is greater. Move to left side, that is greater. Move to right side. Move to right side, that is greater. Move to left side, that is smaller. So here more than means greater value. So here negative 2, move to right side. 3. So 1, 2, 3. The value is 1. Value is 1. So 3 more than negative 2 is 1. Next second question, 2 less than negative 2. First draw the solution. Draw the number line. The center value is 0. The right side 1, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4. Left of the 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. So the question is 2 less than negative 2. So less than means move to left side. So here negative 2, move to left side. 1. 2 less than negative 2 means 1 and 2. The value is negative 4. 2 less than negative 2 is negative 4. Topic is 7.3 absolute value of an integer. The absolute value of an integer is the numerical value of integer regardless of its sign. When you read a negative or positive integer without its sign, that is the absolute value of integers. It indicates by two vertical lines, one on either sides of the integers. Example, absolute value of 10. 10 is equal to, this is modulus. The two vertical lines said to be modulus 10 is equal to 10. Here the positive 10, using the modulus, that means absolute value, the output is 10. The next example is absolute value of negative 10. That is negative 10 is equal to, using the modulus, that means absolute value negative 10 is equal to 10. That is the value of absolute, the value of negative 10 is 10. Next, exercise 7.2, second question. Arrange the following in ascending order. The question is negative 1, negative 8, negative 12, positive 7, positive 5, negative 3. Write down the solution. Here asking the ascending order, that is smallest to largest number. Here the smallest one is negative 12 is smaller than negative 8, negative 1, negative 3, positive 7 and positive 5. The first value is negative 12. The second value is negative 8 because it is smaller than negative 1, positive 7, positive 5, negative 3. The next value is negative 3 is smaller than negative 1, positive 7 and positive 5. The next smallest number is negative 1. It is comparing these two numbers, the positive two numbers, negative 1 is smaller. Now the next smallest number is, here both the values are positive, 7 and 5. Here the smallest number is positive 5. The lowest one is positive 7. This is the ascending order for this set of values. Second question, homework sum. The first one is 0, negative 2, 9, 3, negative 4, positive 8. The second one is positive 2, negative 2, positive 3, negative 3, positive 4, negative 4. Next, third question. Using the number line, find the integers. The first one is 6 more than negative 6. Solution. First, draw the number line. Now I draw the number line. The question is 6 more than negative 6. So you can start negative 6. That is move to, more than means move to right hand side. That is here move to right hand side is greater. Left hand side is smaller. So more than means, more than means greater value. So move to right hand side. So here 6 values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The value is 0. Therefore, 6 more than negative 6 is 0. Next, second question. 3 less than negative 5. Now draw the number line. The number line is negative 8 to positive 5. The question is 3 less than negative 5. The starting value is negative 5. Move to right hand side, that is greater value. Move to left hand side, that is smaller value. So negative 5 less than means move to left side. So 1, 2, 3. The value is negative 8. Therefore 3 less than negative 5 is negative 8. Third question, homework sum. The first one is 6 more than negative 12. The second one is 10 less than negative 10. Next, fifth question. Write the absolute value of the following. The question is negative 200. Solution. Absolute value of negative 200 is equal to, using the modulus sign, negative 200 is equal to 200 is the answer. Fifth question, homework sum. The first one is negative 27. Find the absolute values. Negative 27, and second one is positive 143.